everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila, and I've got a sweet surprise for you, which is in my hands here. It's purple, it's beautiful, it's silky, it's sexy, it's smooth, it's very tactile. These are gloves! These are gloves. Let me wear them for you. I know that a lot of you like the gloves, and so I found them in my wardrobe, and I thought I'm going to wear them for you today. I love these gloves. They're so sexy and so comfortable. Thank you very much for watching and having fun with me. I literally had fun with you all in this video, so hopefully to see you soon in the next couple of videos. Love you!